Hello everyone, I am back with another Nature's Essence haul. So I got a couple more bars of her Champagne Pear, her Dr. Feelgood, and her Apple Mango Tango because I really like those scents. This is what the bar looks like. I actually used this last night and the scent lingered on my skin for probably a little bit over 2 hours, and her soap lathers really well. It's nice, big, luxurious bubbles. So that's what it looks like. I also got her exfoliating olive oil soap in frozen margarita, and this is what it looks like. So there's some swirl in there, and there's also some speckles, and it's, I believe, ground almond meal, and that's the exfoliating part. And she has just some glitter on top. This is scented in her frozen margarita, and you can smell the lime and some salt and just a clean scent. And this is the size. So it's like half of her regular soap bar. I also got the 1 pound mini loaf of her eucalyptus and spearmint. She had given me a sample of this in my last order, and I really like the scent. So I bought the mini loaf, and this is how it comes packaged. She also shrink wraps the mini loaf, so that's really nice. And I asked her to pre-cut this, and this smells just so fresh and clean. I think it'll be really good for summer when it's hot, so it'll just be a cooling effect when you're showering. And the top just looks like a very iridescent shimmer glitter with beautiful swirls that she makes on top. And this smells like the spearmint gum, but not so minty. There's some sweetness, and the eucalyptus is in the background, so it's really, really nice. I like that. I also bought her natural soybean candle in Peonies and Peaches, and this is actually in a clearance tab. This smells very fruity and very floral, so you can really smell the peaches and also the peonies in this. So this will be really nice to burn. I also got a yummy yogurt body lotion in champagne pear, and the texture on this is just really soft, and it sinks right in. It's not greasy at all, so this is really nice. She has a new product, Clean and Happy Hands in eucalyptus and spearmint, and this is what it looks like. And I've tried this, and this is very moisturizing, surprisingly. She says it is, but it really is, and it leaves your hands feeling like clean but also moisturized, so that's actually really cool. So she sent me a freebie, soap in Elf Sweat, and it's in the shape of a flower and some round piping on top. I've actually never smelled Elf Sweat before, so thank you for this. I got some samples in Mango Sorbet, and this smells very fruity, like candy fruit. Yeah. also a sample in Pineapple Jasmine. And this is, for me, it's more floral than fruity. So, I don't know, this is just okay. It smells like soap to me. I don't really care much for too floral scent, and for some reason I'm not getting too much pineapple off of this. And she also sent me a blueberry cheesecake sample, which I did get a bar of last time. But this sample smells more chocolatey than blueberry to me. So it doesn't smell the same as my bar. I don't know. It smells really chocolatey. So, anyways, that's all that I got. She also sent me another thank you card, just thanking me for my continued support. And I will continue to support handmade soaps because they are really great quality. I find that with just using those soaps, I don't even need to put lotion on. So thank you guys for watching. And thank you, Danny, for everything and for the little extras that you gave me. And see you guys next time.